Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Epix Pro Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to connect this watch to the Wi-Fi network. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the up/menu button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu. You can do it by swiping on the screen or by using the up and down buttons. Scroll through the menu and find the connectivity option. Once you find it, select it, and you can do it by tapping on it or by pressing the start button. Then select the Wi-Fi option. Here, make sure that the Wi-Fi is turned on, so the status is on. If it's not, tap on it to enable it. Then find the option called My Networks. Here, select it. Then tap on Add Network. The watch will start searching for the nearby networks. Once it's finds the networks nearby your watch, find the network you would like to connect to, select it, and then you will need to enter the password. And you can do it by using the keyboard on the watch, or if your watch is paired with a phone, you can use the phone to enter the password. Basically, on the phone that is paired with your watch, you will see the pop-up, and you can tap on it, and it's gonna redirect you basically here, and you can enter the password of the network. Okay, I entered the password on the phone. As you can see now, it's connecting. As you can see, it says connection successful, so it means that the watch connected to the network, and the network will appear right here on the list of networks, and you can tap on it, and you can tap on update password to change it or remove if you want to disconnect from the network. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.